Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure permissions are set, otherwise clipping will fail. Open the desktop app for full controls and join the voice channel or open the chat with the content you want. Once ready, use the built-in clip shortcut or the message menu to begin capture. This records the last 30 seconds by default, so time your action. Make sure your microphone and system audio levels are balanced. This prevents muffled or distorted clips when you export. Now refine what you captured. Trim the clip to remove dead air and preview it so you catch awkward cuts. Use the editor to add captions or timestamps, which improves accessibility and context, especially for fast-paced streams. Once edited, pick resolution and bitrate. Lower values save upload time but reduce clarity, so balance needs. Export to a local file or share directly to a channel. When sharing, pick the correct channel to reach your audience without spamming unrelated servers. Finish by sharing the clip to the intended channel or DM. Add context in the message so viewers know why it matters. Then organize clips in your media library so you can reshare or delete them later. This keeps your server tidy. If the clip fails to upload, first confirm file size and format, then check channel permissions and Discord server status. When necessary, re-encode at a lower bitrate and retry. Most issues stem from size limits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.